Rashtrapati Bhavan. So over to Vinod Joshi.
Yeah, friends, I have a very pleasant job of helping all the people who have created time and energy and knowledge. The first was Sri Suresh Prabhu sir. Now, normally we know chartered accountants are balancing between debit and credit. Correct. So he is a unique chartered accountant who showed us how to make a balance sheet of a life in which three factors can be balanced: body, mind, and soul. Correct. So that is something, a good message that we had. Now that theory was endorsed by Madam Radhika Rastogi Madam by sharing her whole life story and life experiences, because we always believe that yoga is not just a theory, it is a way of life. So whatever the way in which you have lived and the way in which you have achieved the highest goal in your life, that sharing was very useful for all of us as a student. Principal Dr. Jagtiani Madam was very kind to first of all give us all this opportunity here, so we will always be grateful to her. And she, at the first moment itself, she energized the whole audience. So she made job of all of us to very easy. Looking at her and her small talk, that because of time, she probably has restricted. Otherwise, professor don't stop till 45 minutes. Yeah? It must have been a very difficult task to control it within few minutes. But looking at her, I understood one thing, that teaching is not just a job, but it is a superpower that brings transformation. Correct? And that is what I could see in all your students. We were very fortunate to have
for 5 minutes. Suresh Prabhuji has to leave for Delhi, so I need to give him time. But ये जो प्रयत्न है, this effort essentially is the Indian Yoga Association is unity in diversity. All of us, when we look at yoga, हम योग के बारे में सुनते हैं तो हम लोगों को अलग अलग परंपराएं मिलती हैं. And that is the beauty, because imagine you only saw roses. It might be interesting, but it might not be so beautiful. But when there are variety in whatever cultures, in schools, in traditions, and that is what makes it very interesting. So we look at yoga as not only physical practices, but for physical, mental, emotional, social, and spiritual well-being. Secondly, all of you are young students. Please remember, yoga is very scientific, very traditional, and very secular. सभी के लिए योग अभ्यास है, and therefore we cut across and unite together. Indian Yoga Association is the largest association of the world, which has more than 20,000 students, members, which has 42 big institutions which are international in nature. So today they will in time discuss how to get yoga to each and every one of us. And today's youth, आप जितने students यहाँ बैठे, how many of you practice yoga in any form? Please raise your hands. तो प्रिंसिपल मैडम से बोलेंगे रेगुलरली अब करना पड़ेगा. चलिए यहाँ भी सब है. Okay, so we will just try to understand.